Today we will learn a poem. The poem's name is The Mouse and the Elephant.
Very good.
The Mouse and the Elephant. The elephant was scared of the mouse. He ran to hide by a tree. The little mouse laughed at his socks off. It was such a sight to see. "Why are you frightened, elephant?" the mouse shouted as loud as he could. But the elephant shook and trembled and then rolled about in the mud. It was funny because on the poster it said, "Visit the elephant house and see these fearless animals. Expect when they spy a mouse." Thank you.